What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. Geek. I'm a big fan of recording with my Laravel microphone on the go. So I bought a recorder. Yes, this is the Sony ICD-UX560 recorder. Jump to the unboxing table, and I'm going to give you my opinion and my review and my sound test. So here is the Sony ICD-UX560. This microphone, and a recorder I'm going to use for quick recording for a subject. For example, I'm interviewing when I don't have my Rode interview mic. So also I'm going to use this one with Laravel one. It have like a headphone out and audio in. So now here's from the back. It comes with 4 GB built-in micro SD card support. So let me open it for you. Okay, how to open it? I think so, something like this. Okay, come on. Okay, I need to slice with my Swiss knife. Yes. Okay, it's finally sliced. Okay, now here we go. Okay, here we go. These are the documentation. It comes with a lot of documentation warranty. Okay, that's awesome. Let's put everything aside. And here is the microphone. Okay. Okay, how to, I don't want to damage it. Maybe something like this. Come on. Oh, it's out. Yeah, so like this the microphone come out. It do not come with any USB cable because let me show you. Let me put this one aside. Okay, now can you see? Okay, where? Wow, it come with built-in USB. I mean, this is awesome. I mean, literally this is awesome. What's up? You want some trouble? I mean, this is tiny. I mean, this is tiny. This is like 70 bucks. I mean, much better than Zoom. I mean, the Zoom one H, I forgot the name. It even have a micro SD card slot. It's 4 GB built-in. Here I can use my Laravel mic, my headphone. Okay, let me take out this one, and I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, you can see USB volume from the side. Okay, and then from the here you can see from the top. Yeah, even it have a lanyard. Okay, now let me turn it on. Power. Okay, I mean, the screen is beautiful. Okay, yes, English. Uh, month is like July 11, 2018. Time is like 1 o'clock 31 minutes. 31. Let me 32. Okay. Okay, I need to use the third. Okay, now it's good. Next, beep on. Okay, setting, recording folder, built-in memory. Okay, how to go back? Go back here. Recording. Okay, setting, recording setting, built-in scene select, auto voice, meeting, lecture voice, not interview, soft music, loud music, my scene. Wow, I mean, it have a lot of stuff, to be honest with you. Okay, I wanna record in the which one, mp3. Okay, building building speaker sensitivity for voice. Okay. I mean this is like really very good screen. I mean this is like backlit. Okay. Hello, hello. You can see. Hello. So hello. So yeah, now jump back to me. I'm
So
gonna
right now
test
you're
it.
listening me to the short Super 55 microphone. So I mean this is really very small, as you can see. This is really very small. So now let me record my audio. Okay, I'm going to switch the audio. Let me record the audio. So right now you are hearing me with the Sony audio, I mean recorder, I mean I forgot the number, I mean ICDUX560. Yeah, ICDUX560. I mean, you need to be the judge how good is the audio. It's recorded in stereo. I mean, you need to be the judge how good is the audio. I mean, I really like the form factor. This is really very slim. When I say I really like something, I really like something. I mean, it's really very comfortable to hold compared to my task cam. I mean, which is really very big. I mean, my task cam. Let me take my task cam. So here's my task cam, as you can see, and then here's this size. I mean, I really like it. I mean, I already touched the audio. I mean, before I mean, making the end of this video, unboxing and first look. I can easily say this is a must buy, a must buy, a must buy. Yeah, this is a must buy. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.